Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial of the digital thoughts on C programming. Today I'm gonna show you how to take input from user and display it on your console. So first of all, let us take a variable of integer type, a variable of floating type, and variable of character type. So I have I have three variables, one of integer, one of float, and the third one is character type. First of all, let us enter a character value, then let me complete this one. Enter a integer value, and again printf, enter a float value. Now after the printf statement, I have to use some functions which are used to take input from user, and in C there is a function called scanf. A scanf function accepts two parameters. The very first one is identifier and the second one is address of these variables. How to use scanf? The very first one is identifier. For character there is identifier %c. For floating point there is identifier called %f, and for integer type there is a identifier called %d. So for character value, let us use %c, and you have to specify the address, and address of any variable is specified by the ampersand and variable name. So let us use and c right here in completing this one. For the integer, scanf %d and a. For the floating point value, scanf %f and p. So using this a single line of code, you can take the input from user. But now how to display it, or how to you can say display it on the console, or how to use it further for computation and all. So let us display it on console. Printf the character value is, use the identifier which I have used previously, %c. And now if I am given %c right here, the very first parameter after the string is the name of the character variable, that is c. And if I am using the int value is %d, then the second parameter must be a, and again /n/n, the float value is %f, then the third parameter must be the floating point value. So by using this, you can display the value of variable into the console. Use the identifier, and in the sequence give their name after the string, like C and B. So let us compile and run it. So here is the output. Enter a character value, so a, enter an int value 10, enter a float value 10.20, and let us enter. The character value is a, the integer value is 10, the floating point value is 10.2000. So here how can you can display the value of variables. And now if you want to perform some mathematical operation on them, then you can also perform, like if I want to add 10 in int type of variable, then a is equals to a plus 10. Now I want to subtract 5 from the value of floating point, b equals to b minus 5. And surprisingly, you can also perform mathematical operation on characters also. So let us hit and try this one, and let us see what is the output. So close it and wait and format this output, compile it and run it. So enter character value, I'm entering a. Int value, I'm entering 10. For floating point value, I'm entering 10.20. So here is the output. Character value a, and I have added 5, then a, b, c, d, e and f. F is the output of a plus 5. Adding 10 into integer value will convert it into 20, and 10.20 subtract by 5 will become 5.20. So you just try to find out how the character, how this line is executed and given the output f. Try surfing on the internet, try it your own self. I will explain in the very next tutorial. Thanks for watching.